How to use Google Calendar effectively on mobile. So the first thing is just download the Google Calendar app. Once you download it, just open it and log in into your Google account. It's going to show up like this. So at the top left corner, you can see June. That's the month. I can click on it and I can switch between any months from over here. That's one way. And to add any event, I can just click on the plus at the bottom right and add an event or a task. Let's say I want to add an event and I can title it anything. And over here, I can choose the date. So it says Thursday 12. I'm going to click on it and set it to the 19th Thursday at around 1 p.m. Just like this. Now I can just scroll down and it says Thursday 19 June. It's going to end there. So I'm just going to click on it and this event will end in 20 Thursday at just around 1 p.m. like this. I will click and save. Now I just created an event just like this, which is going to be from 19 to 20, both the days, okay? And if you want to get reminded of like these events, just go inside your setting and turn on your Google Calendar's notification. We have made a video on that topic as well. So that's how we guys can effectively use Google Calendar in your mobile. You can also make Google Calendar your default calendar. We have also made a video on that topic. You can watch it if you want to know more. That's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.